Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Dynamite clothing haul that actually started out as me looking for work clothes and then slowly transitioned into me not buying any work clothes at all, but I still managed to get some pieces that maybe I could wear in the workplace later on. So I'm going to show you guys everything I bought and see how they fit. So I was looking at the items I got and my haul was looking a little bit skimpy, so I had to go and double check my order list. And two of the items I ordered were actually canceled because they were out of stock. I'll show you what they were right here. So this is what I have. I've organized them from most summery to most wintry. I guess we're doing a fall, winter, spring, summer, year-round haul. So pretty much everything here was on sale other than these two, and the two that didn't arrive were also on sale. It is what it is. The blazer I'm wearing is actually from Dynamite as well, so we're gonna start off with this satin top. So item number one, I got it in a size small. It was $29.95 regular price. This one was not on sale. Here's what it looks like tucked in. It's just a little satin cowl neck blouse. I really do like it. You can kind of flip it out if you want, but I think the whole point is for it to just fall however it may please. Here's how the back looks. It has some crisscross action going on in the back, which is really cute. I feel like this is really nice for summer, but it could also work really well for fall or even winter because of the color. I really do like it. The next item I'm going to try is this nude bodysuit. Dynamite is known for their great quality, so I'm gonna pop this one on. I'm obsessed with this bodysuit. I absolutely love it. I got it in a size extra small. I wish I got it in a small because it was a little bit difficult to get on. I'm pretty sure I even ripped the seam trying to put it on. Yep, I ripped it. I just did I? Or is it like that on the other side? And I already got makeup on it trying to get it on because it was so hard to get over my head. But just because I got a size that was too small doesn't mean it's not very stretchy, because it is extremely stretchy. It's really soft, it fits really well. I popped one of these in. Here's the back. And I really like the color of this as well, so here is this bodysuit. So the next item I got, these taupe, I think this is what you would call this color, these taupe / lavender work pants. I got them in a size extra small because I really wanted the waist to be snug, which it's tight enough. So these were on sale. They are normally $50. I got them for $30, so $20 off. I love the color. When I bought them, I thought this was the matching blazer. I think I was wrong, but I think they could still work together. I'm gonna show you guys what they look like with a nice pair of heels. I just wanted to try the blazer on with the pants to see if they happen to actually match. And I think it could work together if I had a more professional shirt on. Because this has so many different hues of blue and pink and cream, it kind of gives the illusion that it matches with the pants a bit. So I think I could get away with pairing them together. The only thing is this blazer is a lot longer than I expected it to be, and the pants are a little bit baggy and loose, so the combination together is really giving me Miranda vibes, so we'll have to see. So I think this is my favorite outfit I've put together so far. The blazer was normally $65, I got it for $40, and the skirt is normally $40 and I got it for $25. These do match, they go together. I absolutely love it. I'm getting huge Clueless vibes, so this is perfect. I've wanted a plaid skirt for a while. I used to have so many back in the day, donated all of them, and then a few years later they're back in, and I think this could be workplace appropriate. I don't know, maybe the skirt is a bit too short, but I really like this. It is the 3rd of July and I'm in a black turtleneck, people. Somebody send help. I got this because it was on sale. It's normally $35 and I got it for $15, which is a deal. More than 50% off. I already knew it would be great quality because it's from Dynamite, so to get a turtleneck from them for this price is pretty good. It's full length. I love it. It's thick. The turtleneck part is not too tight because you know some of them do strangle you. but I really do like it. It even looks cute with the skirt. This is really making me excited for fall and winter. I'm a fall baby and naturally I love fall fashion, so I'm really excited, even though I am really loving summer and I know I'm gonna be complaining in winter time, but here it is. So for the final item, I'm gonna try it on with a turtleneck just because it only feels right to do that. It is this beautiful leather jacket, faux leather. I really like it. It's great quality, it's thick. It comes with this little belt, which is removable. That was one thing that I had to make sure of, that the belt was removable, because I don't actually really like to have the belts on my jackets. So it has this little button here, which holds it in place if you do want to wear it. So regular price, it's $74.95. I got it for $45. I think that's a steal. I don't know about you guys, but I think that's a great deal. So I'm gonna try it on. I got it in a size medium. I don't really like leather jackets to be tight. And in winter time or fall, you're probably gonna have more layers, so. Oh my gosh, I'm sweaty. I almost forgot it's summer for a bit. Okay, so. What do you think? So before, the blazer and skirt combination was my favorite. Now the jacket is my favorite. I love it. I can't wait until I can finally wear it and when it starts to get cool again. It's very thin, actually. I think earlier I said it was thick. But it's actually a thinner material. Like the leather is very thick, is very thin, and then inside there's just this little fabric. 100% polyester. Oh. Wonder how they made this out of that. And that's it. And then you know, you can pair it with the little Louis clutch. So that completes our haul. Let me take this off. I'm sweating. All right, guys. That is the end of the haul. Thank you so much for watching this video. I like literally every single item I got, which is very, very rare because usually I'm like packing up half of the package to ship it back. But not today. I'm gonna be keeping every single item I bought because I'm that happy with all the items. Dynamite never disappoints me. I had high expectations and they were met. If you like this video and want to see more hauls or tutorials, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, bonus footage. So I was packing up the trash and I saw this and I forgot that I bought earrings. Let's see if I can zoom in on them. Focus. All right, so they're just these really cute little gold hoops with this little diamond thingy right there. This is the back. So they're actually kind of like stud style, so the hoop would be on the outside. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. I'll insert a photo so you have a reference. But these were also on sale. I think they were normally $12. I got them for $9 or something like that. But yeah, here they are.